are again with another Sonic tutorial, so let's nope, leave me alone, leave me alone, don't get close to me, leave me alone, okay, now, so well, I kinda exposed it, but pause and copy, and real hair 29. Front hair 20, 24, 49. Hat 25, 76. Glasses 22. Scarf 2960. Crap. Oh yeah, thank you. Shirt 23. Pants 1. Sleeves 24. Forearms. Gloves 3. Drop 7655 for a balled up fist. Shoes 59 for shoes, cause I can't find the real ones. And complain all you want, but it's still mine. I was looking to see what was that, but so weird. Eyebrows 22. Face AC 4349. Head AC 173. Head AC 3573 for nose and for tail. Wings 56 for spikes. Wings 1 for tail. Tail 21, wings 121 for tail, and Oh, ponytail 76 and tail 53. And you're finished. You already know this, so let's just move on. I mean, pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Just pays because it's the same. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Oh yeah, and for cape it's 3238 for the giant boost. My neck hurt from that. Wait a second. Did I use? Oh, never mind. Cause I thought I was using I don't know, a old charger. Cause really I don't know. So, oh yeah, pause and copy, and you're finished.